Fani Willis obtained illegal information evidence at the beginning of Trump's trial. That's what I've got for you today, so on with the show. That's right, you heard me right. Fani Willis' case began with illegally obtained evidence that she used in the trial. According to Newsmax, Fulton County District Attorney racketeering case tied to the 2020 election against former President Donald Trump could be upended if the allegations are true that the Georgia prosecuted evidence was illegally obtained. A recent book released on Willis probe claims that the phone call between the then President Trump and Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger, a key piece of evidence in the indictment, was recorded illegally. Author Michael Isaacoff, Daniel Klaidman write in Fine Votes book, a hard-charging Georgia prosecutor, a rogue president, and the plot to steal an American election. The Georgia Deputy Secretary of State Jordan Futches taped the conference. According to Jocelino Collares, a law and political science professor at Case Western Reserve University, said Trump's legal team could argue that the recording should be excluded from the case because it was illegally obtained. They could make the argument in an attempt to exclude the recording. Well, my opinion is Fani Willis shouldn't be there at all. The judge ruled that one of them had to go for a reason, because there was proof of a collusion in their relationship prior to the trial starting. So that's why he made one of them get off the case. So everything that they have collected together, which is everything, is tainted. So nothing can be used or should be used. So this judge is still not cleared of being corrupt, because they both should have went. They should have tried to find another prosecutor, and the judge didn't do that. But he did show that she lied on the stand, which is perjury. So that alone should disqualify her from holding this office, for one, and continuing the prosecution. They both should be disbarred, and the Bar Association needs to look into this. But what do you have on our side here? You've got the House Judiciary Committee threatening. This is what they do best. They threaten, they never follow through with their threat. To hold Fani Willis into contempt of court. While Willis produced a narrow set of documents on February 23rd, full compliance with the subpoena to date has been deficient. She has not produced any of the following categories of documents. All categories and communications referring or related to any allegations of the misuse of federal funds by the FCDAO. All documents or communications among the FCDAO and the Justice Department, including the OJP and the OVW and their components. All communications between the FCDAO employees about the receipt or use of federal grants. All documents that fall within the scope of the subpoena, such as the FCDAO's. And let me give you these titles here. The Federal County District Attorney's Office, FCDAO, so that you know what I'm talking about. And then all documents that fall within them: proposals, abstract, grant agreements, financial management, internal control questionnaires, and consolidate. My point is that the House Judiciary Committee, all they do is threat. They don't get any action done, and this is something that needs action taken, not threats of action. We've got less than a year. We've got, 8 months or something like that till November election, and then 11 months until the new, hopefully, President Trump takes back over and gets his country back into shape. We've got to do something about this. We've got to get the Republicans to pull up their big girl panties and take some action in what they're doing. It's been long enough. 3 years is long enough. It's time to take action. Let me know what you guys think. Leave questions or comments below. Do you think Fani Willis needs booted from this case and disbarred? Leave comments below. Don't forget to share my videos. Follow me on Rumble at Country Conservative. Can't follow me on Rumble? Follow me on YouTube at Country Conservative 1776. But you need to open a Rumble page. This is why I tell you on all my videos, get out and vote. This election is so important this year. All the way up to the general election. Every primary, no matter what, is important. Got to get out and vote. Then on November 5th, we got to get everybody out to vote. So again, let me know what you guys think. You know I'm going to be following this Fani Willis story, because this is something that needs to stop. The persecution of Donald Trump in all the states, the Democrat-held states, needs to stop. That's why we got to get out and vote, get the Democrats out of power totally. Let me know what you guys think. As soon as I get some more information on any of these stories, you know I'll get them out to you. In the meantime, this has been the Country Conservative. I'm Charlie, and I'll see you next time.